Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Gothenburg. Let's just call it that. And this is the main square. Let me show you what the main square looks like. It's kind of cool. And so this is like a river or something over here, and it's just full of shops and stuff. But this is the main square, the city hall, all that kind of stuff. But I thought I'd just take a second just to show you what the main square looks like. It's early morning. It is exactly 7:59 right now, and it's cold and windy, and all these people out here are off the boat, so it's kind of funny. And that's the main statue right here, and I'm gonna head to a church I found, and I'm hoping it's open, but that's the main statue, which is kind of cool. And then I think this is the City Hall building right here. But this is Gothenburg. And that's kind of cool. And there are 500,000 people that live in Gothenburg. And you can see the clock up there. It says 8 o'clock. And you can see how windy it is and how it's cloudy and it's supposed to rain. But anyway, this is the main square. Let me walk over to the water real quick, and you can see down the canal. And you have to take a bus to get here from the cruise ship. It's like 7 or 8 miles, so it's not walking distance. So it's certainly a hoofer if you were going to walk it. But this is the canal, and it's really kind of pretty, and the buildings are pretty amazing. Very cool. Okay, everybody, Gothenburg, the main square. And there's your reflection picture for this morning. Okay, everybody, bye-bye.